guys, I am Hemang Vyas. This is our project Music Genre Classification. In this project, we classify the music into 10 genres based on their metadata. It is very crucial task to extract the features out of music in the field of music information retrieval. To extract the metadata, we have used the Librosa library. For machine learning part, we have used the sklearn library. For training purpose, we have used the GTZen dataset which contains the 100 songs of 10 genres. So in total, we have 1000 songs. This dataset basically contains the 1000 WAV files which is used to extract the metadata. We have used the Google Colab as a platform to extract the metadata since it requires a lots of computation power. After training our model, we have deployed it using the Django Web Framework. The application of this project may be a music recommendation system, Spotify, SoundCloud, or any online music streaming platform. Now, Nero Dedia will explain the machine learning part of the project. Thank you.
My name is Nirav Dedia. I will provide some insights on the backend and coding part of our project music genre classification. We have done coding using the Python programming language. So here you can see the pre-processed Python notebook. First we have imported the two libraries pandas and numpy. Pandas is used to deal with dataset. So we have first loaded the dataset using pandas. Here you can see the first 5 rows of our dataset. Then we have pre-processed the dataset and the unique method lists all the class labels that we are going to deal in the classification task. After pre-processing, we have performed the splitting of our data set into training and testing. We have used the by default training testing size, that is 75% for training data, while 25% for testing data. Then we have normalized the data so that we can fed clean and proper data to the classifiers to improve the efficiency and accuracy. Then we have trained our model using various classifiers. First classifier we have used is the random forest. We have also plotted a feature importance graph. Here you can see the feature importance graph for the random forest. We have got the 70% accuracy for random forest. We have also used decision tree to train our model. Yeah, also we have plotted the feature importance graph for decision tree. We have got the 44% accuracy for the decision tree, which is not so great accuracy. Then we have used the famous algorithm, famous classifier, KNN classifier, and we have got the 62% accuracy. Then we have tried a sample data file and loaded this audio file in our pre-processed notebook. We have predicted its class using the KNN, and we have got the metal as its class. Then we have also predicted the class of sample audio file that we have loaded using SVM. We have first trained the SVM. We have first trained the model using the support vector machine algorithm. We have used three kernels, linear, RBF, and polykernel, but we have got the highest accuracy using the linear kernel, which is 73%. Then we have predicted the class of the sample audio file using the SVM linear kernel, and we have got its class as hip hop. Now the next task or the next part of the project will be explained by my friend Nirmal. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nirmal Vekaria and I will be demonstrating the web version of our project. So we have implemented our project in Python's Django framework. We have deployed our project in Python's Django framework. So this is our homepage, and we have also added some statistics here that will tell us how much data we have used for training and testing purposes. So here we can upload a music file, and then it will extract the metadata from that music file, and according to that metadata it will predict a genre of that music and give us what genre that music was from. And we have also added some error handling mechanism here. So if we upload a file that is other than a wave type, then it will give us an error. So if we get started here, then first if I upload an image file, then it will give us an error that only wave type file is allowed. So here it is giving an error that only wave type file is allowed. So let me upload a wave type file this time, and if we upload a wave file, then it will extract a metadata from that and predict a genre of that music file according to that metadata. So it will give us a result. So here it is, it has generated that genre of the music file was hip hop. And so this is our project. We have implemented we have deployed our model in Python's Django framework. So this is our whole project. Thank you.